For this tune-up, I'll be replacing the spark plug, the air filter, and changing the oil. There's some Honda oil there. And I'll be using this Briggs & Stratton oil removal kit. I've had it in the garage for about going on a year. First time using it. Usually I just tilt the mower over. I did turn on the mower for about 2 to 5 minutes just to warm up the oil, make it easier to drain. I'm just putting this thing together. Now I had initially trouble setting this thing up. The tube kept coming out. Finally got it to work here. You can see the oil coming out pretty good there. I still went ahead and tilted the mower after I finished because I wasn't satisfied with the ounces of oil that I had taken out. This mower holds from 12 to 13.5 ounces. I think I wind up taking out about 8 or 9, close to 9. So after I finished with the skin as much as I could, I went ahead and tilted it, got a few more ounces out. So here I'm just going to go check the oil. I've already deposited 1 can, 12 ounces of oil. I always start with the 12 and then add as days go by. Like I said, the capacity for this one is 12 to 13.5 ounces. And it was close enough here, so I went to the next task here. There's the new spark plug on the floor there. So the old one's coming out here. And the spark plug is still working at this point. But I figured it'd been over a year, or close to a year, with this spark plug. So I decided, well, the kit came with a spark plug. See, it's kind of dark there. So even though it's still working, I said, well, go ahead and put the new one on. So get it on by hand first. And then I'll snug it a little bit more with the wrench. Or the tool, I should say here. Just a little bit snug. And I never deal with the gap on the spark plug unless it doesn't work or something like that. And I think I maybe done it once in my whole life. Here are the tabs I push in, and the filter comes out with the cover. And you can see it's cleaned. I actually cleaned it earlier. So you want to make sure that compartment is clean. Put the boot back on here. I turned on the fuel, was shut off, turned it back on. And I'm going to try it on, test it out, just make sure the spark plug is